Self-reference, or sometimes meta-filmmaking, is a component of language and art where a few things can happen. The author draws attention to the work of art itself, like filmmaking, or characters reflect on the craft of filmmaking or the writing of the film within the film itself. Self-reflexivity is a component of many of Hitchcock's most popular works, and this component manifests typically as a character that he writes into the script. This character serves as an audience surrogate, as they ask questions the audience would ask, and guides the audience as they also try to solve the mystery. Many films use an audience surrogate. The child in Jurassic Park, the character Randy in Scream. Audience surrogates tend to serve as a conduit between the audience and the character on screen. They don't always shatter the fourth wall, but they can. Audience surrogates can also be found in many video and computer games. In some third-person environments, the player character interacts with the characters in the storyline on behalf of you, the viewer. This character is independent of you, but asks questions, provokes the other non-player characters, and otherwise behaves in a manner similar to how you would if you existed in that world as well. Games expand on this idea of the audience surrogate in ways that are changing all the time. Link in The Legend of Zelda is a mute character, as is Gordon Freeman in Half-Life 2. This type of main character is called a silent protagonist. Still, some games like Assassin's Creed and parts of Resident Evil 2 feature bits of dialogue that the character is only speaking for the benefit of you, the player. These parts are easy to identify because it occurs when the character on screen is by themselves, and there would be no other reason that the speech manifests except for our benefit. In this way, our viewpoint as a participant is a privileged one, as we get information and opportunities that none of the other characters get to have. Case in point, in a video game, we get to play again even if the character we are controlling dies.